Hello everyone. I have an exciting news for people who are joining the World Open Shogi Championship in Barcelona. There is a tournament organized in cooperation of FESA and Heroz, the company that made Shogi Wars app. The tournament is called the 10th Shogi Wars Kishin tournament in Europe. Even though it's called the 10th, it's the first time it's going to be held. It is an exciting tournament that will have money prizes for the top three with additional travel subsidies for top 3 qualified players. But what's going on with the travel subsidies? Well, it turns out that this tournament will be held online on the Shogi Wars app on the 21st of July during this 2 hours gap. But the top 8 players who qualify will have to be in Barcelona by person, and during the 1 hour break during the ESC WSC, they're gonna play the final tournament. Also, it might be kind of weird, but it's gonna be in person, but still using the mobile and Shogi Wars. But you're gonna say, but Shogi Wars, don't they use Kishin and other stuff? Well, no, in this tournament, you won't be allowed to use Kishin. And moreover, you won't need the premium account. As you know, you're limited to a certain amount of games per day, but in this tournament, you can play it for free. The eligible players are all residents of Europe. That includes those of the Japanese nationality, but only maximum 2 of those Japanese nationality players can join the tournament. So maximum will have 2 Japanese players and 6 other nationalities. You have to be resident of Europe though. You can register already. The registration is until basically the event ends, so you can join in the last second. But of course, the more you win, the higher you will be on the ratings, so the more you play will be important. I recommend you register as soon as possible as well. The time per game is 3 minutes, no Byoyami, no limited number of games. You have to be willing to travel to Barcelona because of the final. And interestingly, here are the subsidies. Yeah, first player will get 300 euros to travel, second 200, and third 100. It will be paid in person. And of course, if you just join the event and you don't win anything, you're gonna get Shogi Wars item. Now the final tournament will be more serious format because there will be 10 minutes per player. Again, no Kishin. We want it clear. We want it to be decided by actual strength of players. And here are the money prizes. The winner will get 400 euros, second place 250, and third 150. It's very, very interesting, very exciting, a very high pool, I would say, for our Shogi tournaments that usually don't have money prizes. Really exciting for me to see that. And of course, prizes for the runner-ups among other teaching games with professional players on Shogi Wars platform. So there will be additional tickets you can get on your app. And selected games of the final tournament will be commented by me online. So even if you don't join the tournament or you don't qualify, you will be able to watch it on my YouTube or Twitch or watch it afterwards. So how would you join this tournament? You have to go to your Shogi Wars account, whenever it's English or Japanese. You log in, you go to events, then here it is, accepting 10 Shogi Wars Kishin tournament in Europe. And here you have all the info I just explained with some more details. For example, in case the highest number of wins will be ranked higher, but if the wins is the same, for example, in the case of draws, you can read here what happens. And yeah, in the final tournament will be the knockout tournament among 8 players. Once you register to play the game, you will have to play game start. As the event starts, you will have closed event, you choose the event, and then you will have to wait for the game. In that case, it will be 3 minutes, I assume. So this is how on the day, 27th of July, you're gonna be playing. So how to enter? You have to scroll down to this button. You will have to register your real name, the country which you reside. It doesn't show here, but there is a list of countries you can choose from, and your nationality also a list. Then, if you're under 18 years old, according to those terms here, which I recommend everyone reads as well, you will have to have the consent from a legal representative. So I hope many of you will register and join the event. I will be excited to see who will qualify, and I will hope to see a lot of you on the ESC in Barcelona. I will be there as well with my son and my husband. And I wish you all good luck and have fun. See you in the next one.